हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम वंस अगेन टू माय चैनल माय परफ्यूम माय पैशन। आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल पे, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशंस परफ्यूम के बारे में दी जाती हैं। दोस्तों, आज मैंने कुछ मैस्कुलिन फ्रेग्रेंस को सिलेक्ट किया है। आई हैव सिलेक्टेड सम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ओल्ड मैस्कुलिन फ्रेग्रेंसेस. These fragrances are quite famous and liked by millions of perfume lovers. These are the dark fragrances. These fragrances are Drakkar Noir, Azzaro and Cigar. A perfect blend of a masculine fragrance. No doubt about it. एक perfect blend है ये. So today, instead of using that old jasmine and sandal rose, we will mix these fragrances together, these dark fragrances, and see what will be the outcome. Those people who are watching this channel first time, let me explain you once again that blending is not a science actually. What I am trying to explain over here is simple pure art, and your beautiful thoughts encourages you how to create a fragrance. Simple. It's like cooking in the house. And apart from this, those who are new to this channel, quantity apart, as I've discussed earlier in the videos. So when I will say part, one part, two part, or whatever, it means that you have to take a certain quantity like 1 gram, 2 gram, 3, 4, whatever, make a one part. For example, take 1 gram is equal to 1 part, or take 2 gram is equal to is equal to 1 part, or 5 grams is equal to 1 part. But I will suggest you that take a 1 gram by a droppers if you can. 1 gram equal to 1 part. इस तरह से, like this, you won't be wasting your perfume. Actually, perfume is not at all is wasted. It is going to be used. So, but you will be having a ample quantity to do R&D or create some other perfumes later on. बाद में आप उसको भी दूसरी फ्रेगरेंस में क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So, instead of using large quantity as a one part, I would suggest that go for a smaller part. It is better for you people. Okay, so let's start, and I'll show you which fragrance and how to do it. Okay, so as I explained you, one part, what is actually a part is, you can take by measurement or a dropper. That will be easy. Okay, so let's start again once again. So today we will mix two perfect blend of masculine fragrances. They are perfect in their own ways. There is nothing that something to be added to make it complete. No, it is just a thought that if suppose into the Drakkar Noir, if we add Azzaro or Cigar, what will be the outcome? That is the only point I am trying to explain. जो मैं आपको समझाना चाह रहा हूँ वो सिर्फ इतना सही है. Nothing is that कि I am trying to show that Drakkar Noir or Azzaro perfume having some kinds of competency or incompetency in it. No, that is not the thing over here. So take 2 part of Drakkar Noir, okay, and 1 part of Azzaro. If your 1 part is 1 gram, so take 2 grams of Drakkar Noir and 1 gram of Azzaro. If your 1 part is equal to 5 grams, so then take 10 grams of Drakkar Noir and 1 part of Azzaro. Mix it together. See what impact or what changes have developed in this compound. No doubt outcome will be the best. and vice versa. You can take 2 part of Azzaro, 1 part of Decker Noir, as per your choice or as per your thoughts. That depends. Since you have ample material with you, so that is not a problem. बिल्कुल भी कोई इसमें ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो अब इसके आगे हम लेते हैं सिगार. 2 पार्ट सिगार और 1 पार्ट अज़ारो के. इसमें भी वाइस वर्सा आप कर सकते हैं. 2 पार्ट अज़ारो, 1 पार्ट सिगार, या जैसा आप चाहें. और आप चाहें तो तीनों को एक एक पार्ट में मिला लें. 1 पार्ट अज़ारो, 1 पार्ट सिगार, 1 पार्ट डेकर नॉयर. जो भी इसका तीनों की एक मिली हुई खुशबू क्या इम्पैक्ट देती है, आप उसको देख सकते हैं. दीज आर जस्ट अ गाइडलाइंस. आई मीन पार्ट विच आई एम टेलिंग यू, 1 पार्ट, 2 पार्ट, these are just a guidelines. It's not that you have to use this much only. You can increase or decrease the quantity as I have told you earlier, so get a maximum benefit or maximum impact of the fragrance according to you, according to your choice. After all, creating is a blend of science and art. Some chemical engineer or perfumist or chemist has done his science part for you, and now is left the art to show the art or artist in you and evoke your imagination to get the best outcome out of it. These fragrances, while like this, as I have told or as I have mentioned, जैसा बताया है, ये सब अज़ारो या सिगार या डेकर नॉयर, ये फ्रेगरेंस इजीली मार्केट्स में अवेलेबल. इनके ऑयल्स आप बाज़ार से ले सकते हैं. घर में ट्राई करें इसको, एक नई खुशबू बनाएं, अपना इमेजिनेशन देखें और एक क्रिएटिविटी को जो है अपने अंदर पैदा करें. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि आपके अंदर कोई क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है, शायद आप मुझसे अच्छा क्रिएट कर सकते हो. मेरी अपनी कोशिश सिर्फ ये है कि शायद मैं आपसे भी कुछ सीख सकूं. अगर आपके पास कोई सजेशंस होता है तो मुझे ज़रूर सिखाएं. आई विल बी ग्रेटफुल. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जस्ट डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट. इफ़ यू हैव समथिंग, some kind of fragrances with you, just tell me that what, if out of curiosity, maybe अगर आपके पास इसमें सिगार, अज़ारो, डेकर नॉयर, कोई और फ्रेगरेंस घर में होगा तो आप उसको भी मुझे ईमेल पर भेजें, मुझे बताएं. अगर ऐसी है तो मैं उसके बारे में भी आपको बताऊंगा अपनी इमेजिनेशन से कि उसमें क्या फ्रेगरेंस डाल के आप उसको, या किस क्वांटिटी में उसको आप डाल के क्या बना सकते हैं. वैसे तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि आपको मुझसे पूछने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. आप घर में ख़ुद ही मिला के उसे जो है 2 से 3 फ्रेगरेंस मिला के देख लीजिए. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू कुछ ना कुछ तो बनी जाएगी उसके अंदर. कुछ ना कुछ क्यों, बहुत कुछ बन जाएगी. सो ट्राई कीजिए. और अब की वीडियोस में मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आप लोगों के लिए बजाय किसी फ्रेगरेंस में फ्रेगरेंस मिलाने की बजाय फ्रेगरेंस में एसेंशियल ऑयल या एरोमेटिक केमिकल्स मिलाकर उसकी खुशबू को ट्विस्ट कैसे करते हैं. सो आई विल गेट सम न्यू आइडियाज़, and according to my thoughts, according to my knowledge, what I'm having little bit of knowledge, whatever I have learned in all these years, and what is my experience, based on that I can suggest that what kind of chemicals to be added in certain fragrances, selected fragrances I would say, to get a new or get some certain kind of twist in the existing perfume oil. Apart from that, I will also try to suggest some blends for Arabic fragrances. Friends, Arabic fragrances nowadays quite popular with the perfume lovers. everybody says यार वो दुबई वाला fragrance, दुबई वाला अतर, you know, the Dubai people have made it quite famous all over the world, even the France and the England and all the other European countries, or I would say the European companies who are the biggest, among the biggest companies in perfume making, they are after that, and they are making the blends for Arabs and Arabic Oriental sort of fragrances they are creating. There is something inside the Arabic fragrances, no doubt about it. Very much soothing, very lovable, very sweet fragrances. The basic of Arabic fragrances is that these fragrances contains some Oriental, I would say the Indian attar maximum in maximum quantity, or the tone or the line of fragrance is somewhere musky or dark fragrance, like woody note, because you know oud, you must all know about the oud, one of the most costliest oil on earth, very expensive unless until you get a pure one. So it's otherwise the synthetic version of oud is not that expensive, it's almost as normal as the other perfumes you will get it. So friends, in Arabic perfumes, or you would say Arabic Arabic fragrance, basically I'm saying that the base they are using is woody note or musky note. Basically they add this kind of musky notes, they increase it like saffron or oud to turn it into the Oriental fragrances. They are getting it as a French perfume, but the sharp note, I mean उसमें कोई शार्प खुशबू, शार्प नोट ज़्यादा नहीं होती है, स्वीट होती हैं, मस्की है, थोड़ी डार्क नोट्स होती हैं, ऊद की खुशबू उसमें होती है, या मस्क या सैफरॉन या फिर अंबर की खुशबू उसमें होती है. जैसे आजकल अरेबियन फ्रेगरेंस सबसे ज़्यादा बहुत पॉपुलर है, वो मुखल्लत नाम की एक चीज़ है. अब मुखल्लत एक चीज़ हो गई बस, अब मुखल्लत के आगे कुछ भी एडजेक्टिव ऐड कर देते हैं, मुखल्लत ये, मुखल्लत वो, गोल्ड, मुखल्लत सिल्वर, मुखल्लत अरबी, मुखल्लत लाइक दिस एंड दैट. But basically मुखल्लत is nothing but an Arabic translation of compound. In English we say compound, in Arabic they say मुखल्लत. एक चार चीज़ों का मिक्स कर दिया है, खलता बना दिया, it's called मुखल्लत. So rose, saffron are the basic part apart from musk and oud to make Oriental fragrances. So next in next video I will select some Arabic fragrances and I'll tell you out of my experiment, out of my experience, that how to twist the normal fragrances which you are having into the Arabic fragrances. So do watch my channel and keep posting your suggestions, and don't subscribe my channel unless and until you like it. So friends, waiting for your feedbacks, and sure we'll meet once again soon. Take care of yourself, your family, and be a responsible citizen. Okay, see you.